Oh shite all over the place. That's what I mean. What?
And you're crashing on this Billy. You're a snitch, Bill.
And they're a pest.
Yeah,
And they're not regulated. You know, you don't need any form of license. We're waiting for the legislation to come in.
Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're on another wander round London in the West End. Oh no.
There's 6 of us! Yeah, come!
So we're here in Chinatown. Knockout Audits is running up in front. We've got the police just come speeding down the road. Where are they gone?
No.
Well, they ran in a restaurant, you know.
Wherever they've gone, they've got to come back.
They've gone somewhere here. What's that? Waxy O'Connell's is downstairs or something. Billy's gone chatting to him there.
Mop the floor with your lad and you know what? You don't even have to kind of cover it. Now, do you want to film this? I said you what, I'll just use one hand then. Right, then what I'll do about this? Yeah, you mind this coat. Everything. I just bet me.
That's fine, that's the best thing. Confidence, isn't it? Confidence.
Oh, yeah, people let go, it's not people. This is what you used to buy. You forget when you pull a dead man, don't forget, don't touch me. Oh, you don't know me, bro. Oh, what? What was happening to you? Get out of my face, yeah. Once you get past the age, I don't care about fucking, like, you what? If we have to do, we can. But no, you got to find out. I'm going to say this off now, right? You know, swear like the back of it. Right, don't fucking get that off. Don't fucking. That's one of them now. You terrier scouser. What? Stop fucking Stop fucking throwing shite all over the place. That's what I mean. What? Seen the shit they give us. Yeah. Yeah, so you give it to me, lad. You give it to me. Like I deserve it. You fucking did. You did. And Lloydie. Pardon me, sir. You alright? What? He's the fucking lad. Yeah, you're not good. He's looking out. You're dapping. This is the kid that bumped into you today. Fuck me. Yeah, he needs a fucking mate. Scouser, look after him. He's got loads, man. He's got fucking 3 fucking pounds. I don't know what he's doing, like. I just pulled it. We've got 3 bags here. We both make a deal with it. What do? You told me you weren't doing it. Okay.
Oh, they just pay for his spot, haven't they?
We'll go midnight.
This guy's in jail somewhere.
Do you record? We'll go midnight, buddy. What? Let's go midnight. Yeah. No, midnight. I didn't like. You're fucking cracking this smoking, I'm telling you now. You're gonna go home? What are you with him, mate, yeah? Fucking hell, who that? Look at that. Nigger chairs again. What's this then? I'm so nigger.
Listed all out. Listed all out.
Look at all them blood. Hey. I'm out walking. Get it right. Take it over the last trainees away from me. You get kickboxed everywhere. Hey, he ain't transport. Hey, I'll try over you early. What's on me? What do fuck all to me, I'm telling you. Me? I can bang on people on the
Kickbox.
Don't think like we're in Soho. Take them. Fuck your bitches, bro. Look, I'll break this London. Second, bro. Hey, I've seen you before.
Have
You
you?
with him, lad, yeah.
He used to call Chad.
Police want to be when he disrespects me, he's not been watch him last week. I've got boxes full of shit now. Hey, said it the things. Be with Tanya, kid. Send the loft, lad.
Well, you get yourself home, lad, or whatever you're going to do. Come on.
What? I'm a stalking you now.
You're not stalking me, mate.
Give me shit now, lad. See you back me out and you go down here. Will you? Because your teeth are done. Better looking than any man.
Get him in the back of that, lad, and take him
What
somewhere.
in a pedophile looking bumper. Yeah, look,
Right,
I
look.
need to wear with you.
I'm off.
I spoke about you before.
I'm off.
Come here in a minute.
Come here.
Yeah, gonna wash them. Yeah, I'll take them on, lad. They come from Dublin. They are only in a night short day. I get. Wait,
He's gonna make a move.
I'm coming.
You're not following me, lad. I don't need you. That's how you fucking following me.
Hey!
No, lad.
Let's get our sharpie. He's not got time to fucking catch up.
Might throw a bottle in case we could. Is he coming?
I don't want a bottle of fucking Jack to back
I
my
know,
head.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking, man.
Liar. Understand?
What are you going on about, you liar?
Listen, leave it. Quickly.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Why are you being on him?
Leave it.
Hey! We're down in the smoke, shooting people's head, and you're crashing on this Billy. You're a snitch, Bill. Now, I love you in this picture. Molly's on the thing there. Have a way with Billy.
You guys need
Dave, we tried to Dave, bro. Anyone takes them, man. Bro, make moment, you've got pockets full of them.
So we're at like the Times Square of London here. Oh look, these community officers have just had him off for summit.
You give her a ticket on fucking haircut.
Doing like a music video. That was deep. That was deep, wasn't it?
basketball. It ain't China. It ain't Taiwan. It ain't Japan. It's Singapore, baby. Yeah. It's City State.
Remember that movie, White Six? What's that song?
White Six.
White Six.
Chick.
Making my way downtown.
Making my way downtown. Well, she's back. And I'm homebound.
That's the house of
That's what it was. Say that again. White Six.
White Six. Six. What? Six? White Six.
Do a little spin of it as well.
Okay, man, that's gonna work. You taking the piss out of my snows out there? Look at how, before you play that out.
So, Billy's called it a night. Just me, Sazzy and Knockout audits here. Just having a wander around, see what we see for a bit.
Should we overtime with it?
I did, I spoke for 10 minutes.
Huh?
I don't want to chat for hours.
10 minutes. 10 minutes you will teach him all about the Bible about in 10 minutes.
I'll
Can
teach
I
you
teach
about
you
the
about
Bible,
Islam
yeah?
in 10 minutes?
I'll teach you about the Bible in 5 minutes.
In 5 minutes? Okay, your chance.
So I don't know if these are issuing tickets to these on here. I've seen this like the third time I've seen them like harassing these. So probably for the right reasons. What is it with here? They're not allowed to do it around here or something?
Pedicabs, technically they're not allowed to be blocking any of the
Right, yeah.
pavements, especially
If the police
the
or
entrance
someone
to
needs
Leicester
to get-
Square. It's for emergency vehicles and police, really. And it's
Alright.
an exit,
Yeah, man.
and they're a pest.
Yeah.
And they're not regulated. You know, you don't need any form of license. We're waiting for the legislation to come in.
They charge £2 per minute.
It's a lot more than that, mate.
Yeah, I said £20 for 10 minutes.
They're an absolute rip-off. I don't
joke.
ever recommend taking them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are a nuisance, they harass.
You doing a story about it? Or?
Yeah, just everything. Yeah, just vlogging round, yeah.
Yeah, well,
Seeing what London's like
all
and
the
showing
action around
people,
here.
yeah.
West End does get a bit busy and it's quite high crime. So,
Yeah.
that's just great. So if you're sticking about for the night, I'm sure you'll see something.
Yeah, nice one, mate. Respect.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. Have a good night, yeah.
Nice one, guys.
I'm thinking of the guy that's Manchester. They say there's more crime here, but we ain't seeing it. No crime.
Got some people in crossplay, whatever you say. Well, that's where the fire engine came from before, speed anyway. Yeah, look. Some like a Japanese anime in it. Walking stick and all. Here in the wild, we have knockout audits at work. Ambulance as well. Just getting through the traffic. He's getting through the traffic in here. Literally. So the police in London use the lights to get through traffic. That's actually against the law. Local workers working hard overnight to clean the city up. So I can officially say, guys, London is not as bad as Manchester. Would you agree?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? There's not much going on. I suppose if you stayed out long enough, you'd probably get it. So I want to thank you all for watching anyway. If you did enjoy it, smash that like button for us, please, and subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you, and we'll catch you on the next one.